Chill,
brother. I asked you to come to inform you that Soludo, my son, will be coming back from Lagos. And his settlement is going to be tomorrow. And the master will be here tomorrow to settle him.
Is that?
He has finished his apprenticeship, so the settlement will be there tomorrow.
You want me to join to celebrate it?
Not I want, you must be there. You come for celebration. After the long services, there was no problem. So tomorrow is going to be
the celebration.
Oh, okay. So you must be there. You must at the high table, no?
There's no problem. I will come.
That's why I'm informing you.
I will come.
You're my brother. You'll be at the high table.
I will come. You chill there?
Hey,
I will come. Yeah. So, Soludo will now be a master of himself. While my son will remain in this village without. Now people will see me and my family as useless people. No, I won't let that happen. Nonsense. 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 Otondo, what are you doing here?
Want to smoke again?
Ha! You want to smoke again? You see, Soludo is coming back from Lagos tomorrow, and his master is coming to settle him. He will now become a master of himself.
Soludo! My brother! Ah!
Ha! But
what is it?
You are happy? Huh?
Why won't I? Why won't I be happy? My brother is coming back from Lagos tomorrow. And you are telling me not to be happy. See, tomorrow I will drink. After drinking, I will smoke. After smoking, Papa, you know go come.
So all you need is to drink, is to smoke. While your mate will become a master of himself. Huh? What's wrong with you?
Papa, you know, village life, it is sweet oh. It is sweet oh. See, I wish God will create me again, so that I will be in village, enjoying village life all the time.
So I'm talking to you, you are smoking. Otondo. Huh? Otondo.
Papa.
If you dare smoke in my presence again, I'm going to slap two teeth out of your mouth now.
But if you dare go close to me, I'll burn you this secret. Just go close. I'll burn you this secret now.
Okay, we shall see. Okay, we shall see. We shall see. Nonsense. Nonsense.
Our village don't find them. Hi. Papa, I am back, oh. Papa. Our village is beautiful now. Papa, I am back, oh. Soludo is back. Papa,
Soludo, my son.
I am back.
Hey.
So you are here waiting for me.
I've been waiting for you now. You are welcome, eh? Hi.
You are looking so beautiful.
Odo.
Hey.
Odo. Hey. Welcome.
Hey. Our house is beautiful now.
I'm very, very happy that you are back now. Welcome, man.
Hey, thank you, sir.
Welcome. Hey, my son is back. It's your brother. Soludo, my son, has returned. Not up to 30 minutes now.
Minute?
Do you know what? He gave me 30,000 naira. So make I go to port today and do it.
30,000 naira. 30,000 naira.
I should go to Mpo and plus one big bottle of hot drink.
So where is the bottle of the
It's inside the house now. It's inside the house.
So where is Soludo now? Where is him now?
He's taking his bath. After you go and greet him, he may even find you something. You know now?
Yeah, you're enjoying it.
God has blessed me. God has blessed your brother. Hey, 30,000. After we go to Nkwana, I'll give you
30,000 naira.
But let me go to the backyard and check my farm. After you go and greet him, he's taking his bath.
Okay. It's good.
Let me take something. God has blessed us.
Just for a weekend. And my own son is in the village here, being useless, smoking and drinking. Hi, Abakwan Makamwa. But what am I going to do to stop this mess? Okay. If I'm more Casey, I am a Casey. I got man of Pancake, man. I won't let this happen. I know what to do. Nonsense. Nonsense.
Soludo.
Papa.
You called me that you'll be coming back home.
Yes.
So I hope all is well.
All is well. Thank God. The service is I'm done with the service.
Okay, you're through with your master.
Yes. As I'm speaking with you now, my master is coming back tomorrow to settle me.
He's coming back here tomorrow to settle you.
I am telling you.
So you are free?
I am free. I am done with the services.
Will I go like this or like this?
I am done with the services.
Is that?
Yes.
Short, you resemble Uibo man.
Thank
You don't go, but you will come back.
Thank you, sir. No.
Now only Lagos.
Lagos.
Hey, and what will happen if you go to Igbo land and come back? That's how you resemble Queen Elizabeth.
I am telling you.
Hey. But this one you're wearing socks with that shoe. Did anything happen to your leg?
No, Papa, nothing happened to my leg. Nothing happened. That is Lagosians for you.
Hey, this is Lagos time.
I'm telling you.
Say pass with the socks.
Yes.
Hey,
Papa.
in the afternoon.
Papa.
Hey,
If you go to Alaba International, it's very, very sweet though. Very sweet. A sweet place.
Alaba get international.
Yes, now.
Hey, Alaba
Yes,
international.
Tell you.
Soludo.
Eh?
Look, see.
Papa, what happened to this motorcycle? Eh?
This machine. My son, this motorcycle. The problem is too much. The trouble this machine has caused is too much.
Who spoiled it?
You won't understand. You won't understand. The machine has spoiled, that's the problem. I'm not going to mention names, so for interest of peace, I'm not going to mention names. Only that the machine has spoiled. Look at it.
I know, Papa. But I am suspecting somebody. Are you sure it's not Otondo that spoiled this machine and dumped it here?
But sir, I don't want to mention anybody's name for interest of peace. I don't want to mention anybody's name for interest of peace. The machine has looked like it has broke everywhere. Cut.
Don't worry. Tomorrow, I will buy you a sound machine.
Eh?
I will buy you another one.
Tomorrow, you give me a new motorcycle.
Yes.
Hey,
New motorcycle. I will buy you a new
motorcycle.
Yes.
Vroom, vroom. So I will drive like this.
Papa.
I trust you.
Wake to Ocheribe.
I trust you. Hey. Let me see who will touch my new motorcycle again. Let me see who will touch it.
My brother, now wow, are you surprised? The Soludo master gave him 5 million naira.
That was what I saw.
Hi.
5 million. Look, I've been very, 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 very happy.
I don't know that man is as rich as this.
My brother, he is. I really thank God. I really thank God for him. I'm happy. He has settled my son.
But you could have collected 1 million naira from your son.
For what? What will I do with it? Huh? The 5 million is his own. He will go back to Lagos and start business with it.
You leave him to go to Lagos with the whole money.
The money is his own now. You start business with it. He's good. years, 1 year, 2 years, third year. Don't you see how I am? I'll be better. You should use the money and do his own business and even become richer than his other.
That man, he tried. The man is good.
He will become richer. Don't you see? Look at that machine there he bought for me now. He changed my machine. And after 3 years, he's going to buy a car for me. I will open it with left hand and close it with the right hand. Then I'll carry him in front. You know, he always like to go to where he go there.
Me and you go like pass.
Where you go to?
Me and you go like pass.
You will sit down in front. I will drive if you. Where you go to?
Me and you go like pass. See, I feel you are making mistake.
I'm not making any mistake. But at that time, when you buy me a car, not to say I am now, but I'm going to be better.
But if you say so,
the money is his own. In the evening, we go to Nkwa. He gave me more money for. We go to Nkwa and be like this. He gave me more money. Say like I did. Soludo, have you gotten your things ready?
Have you gotten your things ready?
I hope you are getting your things ready. You have gotten your things ready, Soludo, am I not talking to you?
Papa, it's me.
What's the problem?
What is the problem?
Soludo, I'm talking to you. Have you gotten your things ready? You are not seeing me. Soludo.
You are not seeing me.
Hey! I'm finished. No. What is it?
What is it?
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong?
Hey! I'm finished, oh. No, it can't be true.
No.
It can't be true, my son. It can't be true. What happened to you? Come, my son, come. No, it's not true.
Is it?
What is happening to you?
Is it happening?
What is wrong with you? Obara, come, my brother. Come.
anything the matter?
Look at Soludo. I don't know what is wrong with him.
How?
Soludo, what is wrong with him? How?
Listen to what he's saying now.
Listen to what he's saying.
Soludo, what's wrong with you?
What happened to you?
I came back and met him this way.
Hey!
I came back and met you.
Hey! Hey!
Hey! Hey!
Honestly, I'm confused.
Honestly, I'm confused.
And he's supposed to go back to Lagos tomorrow.
He's supposed to go back to Lagos to start his own business.
You know that people are bad these days.
You know that people are bad these days.
So Ludo are supposed to go back to Lagos tomorrow.
Soludo supposed to go back to
Look at his condition.
I'm suspecting that his master. You know, he gave him big money.
I suspect.
You know, he gave him big money.
He gave him big money.
I've sent for Ikuku.
Ah.
He will come here and reveal to us whoever did that thing.
Better.
And whoever that is involved,
You never see
will surely die.
You will surely die.
The person will die 100 times.
And die forever.
He say, oh, so shall it be.
He said, oh, so shall it be. Hi.
This will not be here, my son die for that. Just die unnecessarily.
Look at. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Otondo. What are you doing here? Huh?
I'm smoking.
You are smoking. Meaning what? Thought I had warned you several times not to smoke in this compound. That if you want to smoke, you can go to the bush or the forest. You're not to smoke inside this compound. Huh?
Papa, this compound belongs to me. To me. I am the owner of this compound.
Which compound are you talking
This
about?
compound belongs to me.
Which compound are you talking about? So I'm talking to you, you are still smoking. Come on, give me that nonsense.
Papa,
Give me that nonsense, I said!
Papa, don't try to.
Huh?
Don't try me.
Come, stop that. Will you stop? Hey! Hey! What you know, bro? What you know? My waist. Otondo. Hey, my waist. My waist.
Papa, this compound belongs to me, Otondo.
Otondo, me, your father. Me, your father.
I am Otondo, and this compound belongs to me.
My waist. Otondo, me, your father. Hey! Otondo, thunder will fire you. God will punish you. Hey! My waist, you. Mo. Hey! 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 Who's... Ichiago, my brother, where are you? Hey, wo. Mo. Hey, Otondo, your son will do this to you. So nobody is in this house. Okay, if